Start off this hairdo by brushing the hair and making it smooth and trying to get out all the little knots. Take a medium section of hair at the top of the head close to the forehead and braid it. Do this while pancaking it as you go along. Once you run out of hair, tie it with an elastic band. Do the same thing on the other side. When you're done the two braids, bring them back to the back of the head and tie them together. Then take out the elastics that were holding the two braids together and comb it out a little bit. Take a section of hair from just under where the braid starts and bring it around to the back of the head, over the braid, around the braid, and back under the braid, but over the section of hair. Then just drop the piece of hair, leave it there, and do the same thing on the other side. Then take the two sections that you wrapped around the braid and tie them together to form the full heart. Take the section of hair that comes from the braids and the heart and start a fishtail braid. You can also take some extra hair from underneath if you want the fishtail braid to be thicker like I did. Braid the fishtail till you run out of hair and then secure it with an elastic band. Make sure to pancake the fishtail as you braid it to make it look thicker. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I like to curl the hair because I find it looks a lot more clean and polished and professional. So I just went in with my curling wand and curled the rest of the hair. If you want the curls to stay in place longer and the hairstyle to keep its form, spray on some hairspray afterwards. So this is the final look. I hope you liked this hair tutorial. Subscribe and like if you did, and comment down below if you recreated it. I'd love to hear how it turned out for you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out some of my other videos.